These are F connectors, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put an F connector on a coaxial cable. I've got some 75 ohm coax. This is TV coax, the kind of stuff you'd use for satellite TV, FreeSat, Sky and stuff like that. It connects your LNB to your receiver, and we're going to put an F connector on it. Let's dive in. So all you need to fit an F connector is a knife. I've just got a craft knife and a pair of snips, and they're the only tools you need. And what you do is you take the end of your coax, you score it, take the outer sheath off, about 20 mil in is about right. You can do slightly more or slightly less, and if you score it and bend it, as you can see, it breaks, so you don't damage the braid that's underneath. And if you just go round slowly, bending it in each place, scoring it as you go along, you should find it comes off quite easy. Okay, so push back the copper braid. This inner braid, like a copper coating, that can be pulled off completely. Put that in the bin. And what I do is I twist the braid. I just leave it down one side. Now for the inner, I'm going to take a piece of this white stuff off, about 5 mil from the inside. Again, you're scoring it and bending it so you don't break the inner core, and you should find it comes off quite easy. There you go, that's mine off. And to put the F connector on, you simply take the end. There's a screw at one end, and you've got this nailed bit there that you can get your fingers on, and you just push it on and twist it on as tight as you can. And what you'll find is when it's right in, the white of the inner should be buttered up right against the inside, so you can't get it on anymore. Okay, and what you're left with there is a plug with a large piece of copper sticking off the end of it. And all you've got to do is trim that about from the edge of the plug 2 mil out. So you've got it about 2 mil over, which is about there for me. Snip it off, and that's your F connector all done, ready to go. Ideal for your satellite TV and stuff like that. This one I'm going to be using with an LNB to get on the QO100 satellite, ham radio satellite. So if you're a radio ham and you want to know how I get on with that, there's a subscribe button down in the corner somewhere, and there's a playlist of ham radio satellite stuff if you're interested in ham radio satellites. But if you're just doing it for your normal telly, that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.